Hey guys, it's Drabble Center, and today I've got another woven nylon, but this is the space gray stainless steel buckle. You can pick this up at the Apple Store at Best Buy for 49 bucks. They both have this in 32 and 48, or 38 and 42 millimeters. Just a quick rundown of the box. It does show you what it looks like here on the front. If you would like to go check out my other woven nylon unboxing, you can check it out. Carded up above here. Here's the pricing. Not really much to it. Right here on the end, Apple's nice little pull tab. Go ahead and pull that off. These woven nylons are pretty comfortable. I kind of like them. I'm gonna get the sport loop. The nylon's been pretty comfortable, so we'll see how this does. Right here you're presented with Apple Watch. You will also get just how to put it on along with the band here, which you're presented with right here. So there's that. And that's it. So that's the band. It's got a space gray finish to it. Kind of different for Apple, but it'll do. So hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will have the link to buy this down in the description down below. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.